Hello friends, in this video I will be telling you that how to pass an array to a function. So first you know that we define the data type of a function while defining, then the name of the function, then this is the block of the function, and this is return. So it is returning something, let's say anything. Okay, now we are focusing here. So if this function is accepting some array, then that array has to be passed like this. That array, the argument should be like this. So the array and then the square bracket, that's it. And in the calling function, so this will be calling function. So if x is my array, then I simply have to pass for x, that's it. So that is how you pass an array to a function. So once again, I'm telling you that while passing an array to a function, you just have to pass the name of the array, okay, and the function will be written in such a way that the argument where that array is being getting transferred, that has to be written like this. That means the array name and then square bracket. So let us head to the editor to write a function for the dot product of two vectors. So let's say it is returning an integer, the name of the function is dot, and it is accepting two arrays. Let's say it is accepting x and y. So these parentheses will tell that this is an array, this is not an ordinary integer. Okay, apart from this, we will also be entering the size of this array, let's say n. Now let's define integer d and assign 0 to it, and then for int I0, I less than n, I plus plus, and then simply d is equal to d plus xi times yi, and then come out of the loop and then return this d. That's it, the function is done. So how we make this function? Once again, so this function is requiring the size of the array and the array is itself. So here in place of array, we will be writing array some name with square bracket. So this will tell the compiler that this is going to be an array. Okay, so if I am having two vectors a, let's say 1 2 3, and another vector b, let's say 2 1 1, then I will be calling this function dot and passing what? The size and the arrays. So how to pass the arrays? A comma b, just the name of the function. So what is size? So let us evaluate int size is equal to how to find out size of a by size of a0, or you can simply say 3 because 3 elements are there. So this is somewhat more general approach, and then you can assign this to some variable, let's say x. Okay, now x has to be defined, so let us define this x also. So this x is an integer. Now you can print it. Printf dot product is equal to percentage d, and assigning, so in place of d, x will be coming, and that's it. So here once I run it, I am getting dot product as 7. So 2 plus 2 plus 3, 2 plus 2 4 plus 3 7, that's it. So to pass an array to a function, you just have to pass the names of the array to the function which is requiring the array, and the function itself should be made in such a way that in the argument where the array comes, you should be writing it square bracket. That is, you should be defining it that it is an array. So that is how you pass an array to a function, and that is how you develop a function which accepts array. So in this video, till this point only. Thank you very much for watching it.